from Department of Information Technology, All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society. I welcome you to a session on prioritization of requirements, cost value approach in software engineering. Whenever you would like to develop a software or program or application, you need to collect requirements. As you are familiar with the various process models, the classical process models, they all begin with analysis of requirements, requirement gathering or requirement collection. So whenever you collect the requirements from user for development of some system or application, you need to prioritize like what the user needs initially, what is his priority, what is his first set of requirements you are supposed to implement. So there are two different ways, popular ways of prioritization of requirements. So as the name tells, prioritization, you will set a sequence right from top to bottom, the top being the priority requirements and bottom being the least priority requirements. This is how we can satisfy the customer by providing quickly what he wants and later gradually what he needs in future or later on. How we can do it? Whenever you plan some project, immediately you will be thinking of generating revenue from it. So the things or the requirements which are directly proportional to the generation of revenue in the beginning will correspond to priority requirements. So in this method, as per the cost value method, the first method is a cost value method. So here what you do actually, you will be looking at the cost and value. By investing this much, by putting this much cost, what amount of value I get, what amount of revenue I get, what amount of profit I generate, what amount of satisfaction I'll get, or what all the things which I'll going to get. Is it worth to spend this much for these requirements? This is how. So the more value, the requirements which are more valuable, more important, those things you will give priority, and you look at the cost. Is it feasible to go for it or not? That is what the cost value. I'll go in detail here. You can see this is the cost value approach. This is one of the easiest method to prioritize requirements. This method is normally suitable for small number of requirements where you have less than 10, 20, like very few requirements you have, then you can prioritize them looking at the cost. It produces about prioritization, informative and clear result. This method does not consider the dependencies among the requirements. So the drawback of this method, you can say, it will not be taking the other requirements dependency. Say one requirement may be dependent on the other one, so you are not considering. Say there are x, y, z requirements. Y may be dependent on x. Unless x is not implemented, y may not be implemented, or y may not be given priority. So that way it will not check. So that is the limitation of this cost value approach. The graph clearly shows you that there are three regions: high cost, medium cost and low cost. The x-axis represents cost in percent and y represents value. Say if you have a less cost and high value, that will come in the first region, high region, and that is what we say we set those as a first priority or highest priority. Then those which consume a lot of cost, they are a lot of costly, they are costlier, and they are not that value based. They are not generating that much revenue or value, they are not producing value. Those will be put at the end. This is how it will give an idea. Say you have some 10 requirements or 15 requirements, then you plot them. What is the cost to implement it and what is the value I am going to generate from it. So this is how, if the cost is less and if the value is more, we categorize it in the highest priority. If the cost is more and the value is less, we put it in the least category, least priority, and if it is moderate, then in the medium priority. This is how it will, the cost value approach anyone can implement. You need not be expert in this one. So this is one of the way through which we prioritize the requirement. Hope you understood the concept of prioritizing. In the next session, we'll see how we can prioritize using Carnot diagram. That is the another approach for prioritization of requirements. Thank you for watching.